The alarming and swift disappearance of Antarctic ice could signal a critical turning point for our planet's climate, potentially leading to irreversible consequences such as rising sea levels, altered ocean currents, and a decline in marine biodiversity. This assertion comes from a recent scientific study published in the esteemed journal Nature, which delves into the intricate and interconnected impacts of global warming on Antarctica, the icy continent located at the southernmost part of the Earth. In this groundbreaking research, scientists have meticulously compiled data from various sources, including observational studies, ice core samples, and historical ship logbooks, to illustrate the long-term transformations occurring in the region's sea ice. The findings highlight a concerning trend. The extent of Antarctic sea ice has plummeted to levels that are significantly below the natural variability observed over the past centuries. This decline is not only abrupt, but also exhibits non-linear characteristics, making it potentially more severe and irreversible than the loss of sea ice in the Arctic region. Nirali Abram, the lead author of the study, emphasizes that these changes are triggering a cascade of effects throughout the ecosystem, with some impacts exacerbating one another. For instance, as the ice sheet shrinks, it reflects less solar radiation, resulting in increased heat absorption by the planet. This phenomenon is likely to contribute to the weakening of the Antarctic overturning circulation, a vital ocean current that plays a crucial role in distributing heat and nutrients, while also influencing weather patterns. The repercussions of ice loss extend to wildlife, particularly species like emperor penguins that rely on the ice for breeding, as well as krill, which depend on the ice for sustenance. Furthermore, the warming of surface waters is expected to diminish phytoplankton populations, which are essential for sequestering large amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Antarctic sea ice may indeed represent one of those critical tipping points within the Earth's climate system, stated Abram, who previously served as a professor at the Australian National University and is currently the chief scientist at the Australian Antarctic Division. While reducing global carbon dioxide emissions could mitigate the risk of significant changes in Antarctica, the study suggests that it may not be sufficient to halt these changes entirely. Once we begin to lose Antarctic sea ice, we initiate a self-perpetuating cycle, Abram warned. Even if we manage to stabilize the climate, we are still likely to witness the continued loss of Antarctic sea ice over the coming centuries. This research raises important questions about our future and the potential consequences of climate change. Are we prepared to face the reality of these changes? Or will we continue to underestimate the urgency of the situation? What steps can we take to address this looming crisis? We invite you to share your thoughts and engage in this critical conversation.